Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI automation platform, which is Gumloop. So to get started with a quick analysis about Gumloop, Gumloop has a rapid emerged as a standout AI-first automation platform in 2025, offering a no-code, drag-and-drop interface that empowers users to build complex workflow without writing a single line of code. Its modular node system allows for the creation of intricate automation and features like subflows, enable users to nest workflows within the workflow, enhancing the reusability and scalability. The platform's Chrome extension further extends its capabilities by allowing users to record browsers action and convert them into a repeatable automation, make it a particularly useful for tasks like web scraping or automating interaction on a website without APIs. While Gumloop is praised for its powerful features, some users have noted a learning curve, especially for those without a technical background. However, its extensive library of over 90 pre-built workflow and templates can help integrate these challenges. The platform pricing starts around $97 per month, which may be a consideration for smaller business or individual users. Despite these factors, Gumloop robust feature set, including AI-powered task execution and extensive integration capabilities, position it has a compelling choice for businesses seeking to automate complex workflow efficiently. And that's it. Let them know in the comment section what you think about this AI automation platform, which is Gumloop. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks.